Can you get instant pain relief from a UTI? Having a UTI can be one of the worst experiences because of that horrible burning pain when you urinate. I'm Dr. Rina Malik, board certified urologist and sexual health expert and medical advisor with FemHealth, your number one source for evidence-based health content for you by doctors. Now, today we're going to talk about how you can get instant pain relief from a urinary tract infection or a UTI. Now, if you have a UTI, it's ideally important to get treated with antibiotics, but oftentimes when you get the symptoms, you don't have access to antibiotics or your doctor immediately. So these options are things you can do to help you get comfortable as possible before you can get treated. Now, the first thing is drink plenty of water. Fluids can help flush bacteria from the urinary tract and dilute the urine. This can then hopefully reduce that burning sensation and discomfort. You want to ideally aim to drink 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. And sometimes, even 40% of the time, your body can cure the UTI on its own. Now, number 2 is heat. A great way to reduce some of that discomfort in your lower abdominal area or suprapubic area is by putting a heating pad or a warm compress on your lower abdomen. This helps generally relax the muscles and alleviates some of the discomfort. And obviously, be sure to follow the instructions provided with the heating pad and use a moderate temperature to avoid burns on your skin or skin irritation. I have actually seen people who overuse heating pads get skin injuries, so be sure to use them as directed, not too often, and definitely not incorrectly. Now, the next option, number 3, is using over-the-counter pain relievers. So non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs like ibuprofen or naproxen can help reduce inflammation and alleviate some of that discomfort. So feel free to try those or use Tylenol or acetaminophen. Now, these can also help with pain relief. Always, of course, make sure that you're safe to take those medications and follow the recommended dosage to ensure that you don't take too much. You want to make sure you don't have other conditions that can interact with those medications like kidney or liver failure. And another option for over-the-counter is taking something called pyridium or azo. These contain an active ingredient called fenzopiridine, and this is what's called a urinary analgesic. It basically works by numbing the urinary tract, reducing pain and the burning sensation and the urgency associated with the UTI. Now, these can be super effective in reducing pain, but they don't treat the infection and shouldn't be used as a substitute for antibiotics. Also, just for you to know, these medications, pyridium, can cause your urine to turn a reddish or orange color, which can stain your underwear or your sheets or other clothing. So just be careful on that. It is completely normal for this to happen and it's temporary. It goes away after you stop the medication. Okay, while these home remedies can provide some relief, it's crucial to reach out to a doctor if you suspect you have a UTI and it's not going away. A doctor will accurately diagnose and treat the infection and prescribe appropriate antibiotics to target the underlying bacteria that's causing the infection. Now, as I mentioned, you can sometimes self-resolve a UTI, but when it persists, you often need antibiotics to prevent the infection from progressing or causing other further complications. So there you have it. While instant pain relief from a UTI may not be 100% possible without medical intervention, these strategies can help alleviate some of that discomfort and make you feel comfortable while you're waiting to get in to see a doctor. Remember, stay hydrated, use heat or over-the-counter pain medications, and these things may provide temporary relief. Ultimately, make sure you talk to your medical doctor for a thorough evaluation and proper treatment. If you found this video helpful and informative, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel and the notification bell so you can stay updated on our future videos on a variety of women's health topics. Thank you so much for watching. The doctors of FemHealth are here for you and your families.